Bonjour à tous et bienvenue à Learn French with Swapan. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre les pronoms sujets. Hello everyone and welcome to Learn French with Swapan. Today we are going to learn French subject pronouns. Okay, so let's go. First of all, let's see the singular subject pronouns. Je, je. The combination of these two letters, J and E, will be jo. The pronunciation will be jo. It is not zo or ze. Okay, and jo means I, that is first person singular number. So let's see the next one. Tu, tu. This is not tu or this is not tu. This will be tu, tu. You have to produce little bit wind from your mouth. Tu, tu. That means you. And this is of course second person singular. So let's see the next one. Il, il. Il means he, and this is third person singular. And the next one, elle, elle. That means she, and she is third person singular. And now we will see the tricky one, The combination of these two letters, O and N, will be and O means we. I put O here because O takes the conjugation of il, el. But why I put O here? It will crystal clear when we will see the conjugation of French verbs. So let's come to the plural subject pronouns, and this is of course nous, nous, N-O-U-S, nous. And you have to memorize that the S is silent here, and the pronunciation will be nous, nous. That means we, and this is of course first person plural. Okay, so let's see the next one. Vous, vous, V-O-U-S, vous, and S is silent here, so you have to pronounce vous, and this is not vous. Okay, and we can use this vous to indicate senior person or very respected person, and vous is second person plural. Okay, and we also use this vous as a polite form of tu. Okay, so I think it is clear. Now see the next one. Il, il, E-L-S. The pronunciation will be il, and S is silent here, and this is of course they, and this they is plural and masculine. Okay, so masculine plural they is il, il. So let's see the next one. L, L, E, double L, E, S, L, L. That means they. So this they is feminine plural. Okay, so il is masculine plural and L is feminine plural, and this il will indicate the group of boys, and L, L, that means they, and this they is of course feminine plural, and this they will indicate the group of female. Okay, and when the group is formed by the combinations of boys and girls, then we will use il. Even if there is one boys and many girls, then we will use il, not l. Okay, now we will see the perfect order of subject pronouns. Okay, subject pronouns have perfect order, and we will use this perfect order of subject pronouns when we will conjugate any French verbs. Okay, so let's see the perfect order. Je, je, tu, tu, il, elle, elle, on, nous, vous, il, and elle. Okay, so this is the perfect order, and you have to follow this perfect order when you will conjugate the French verbs. Okay, so that's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Au revoir.